So hello, this is me verifying this trig identity. And so what you would do is I'm going to start on this side. You can start on either side, but I'm just going to start on this side. So what you would do is you would take tan x and cotangent x, tangent x, not tan x. So you would take it, and then you would take this one, and you would make it sine x over cosine x, because that is what equals that. And then you can take cotangent, you can make it cosine x over sine x, because these equal these, and this one is the flip of that because they are the opposite. And so what you would do after that is you would take that and you would now just add them together. So to add them together, you would take the greatest common, or you would just make them a common denominator. So what would happen is you would take this side and you would have to multiply it by a sine to get sine on the bottom. And then you would have to take this side and you would have to multiply it by cosine to get cosine on the bottom as well, and that'll add, or that'll make it both the it'll make them both have the common denominator on the bottom to allow you to add. So you would go and you would have sine x, well, you would have sine squared x, and then that would be plus on the top plus cosine square x over sine x cosine x. So after that, what you would do is you would make this equal 1, because that's how it is. That's how the identity works. And so that would be 1 over sine x cosine x. So after that, you just go and you make it the bottom side. You make it like sine x can also equal 1 over cosecant x, and then you can make that times 1 over secant x, because that is what cosine equals, and then you just cross these out. Or no, you could, well, I'll tell you how to do it actually. You would do it like this. You would flip it. Since dividing by a fraction would be the same thing as multiplying, you would take it and you would divide it, and it would just be 1 times cosecant x. Oops. 1 times cosecant x. Dang, what the heck? And that would be times secant x. And that would just equal cosecant x times secant x. I forgot the c again. Cosecant. There we go. And that would equal this part. So bang. That's how you do it. And you just need to know how to do, like, how to switch them up. If I wanted to do it from the opposite side, it would pretty much just be the flip of this. You would bring it down. You can flip them over to like 1 sine x times cosine x, and then you would put it together like that again. And then you would do sine square x times, plus cosine square x, and then after that you would just divide it by sine x cosine x, and then bang 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 on one of those, and then you would just get sine x plus cosine x, and then you can just figure it out from